71. Mrs. Muesli buys a breakfast cereal that is a combination of 40% whole wheat, 25% oats, 25% raisins and 10% nuts. Mrs. Muesli considers making her own cereal in the same ratio. The price of whole wheat is £1 per 500 grams. The price of oats is £1.50 per 500 grams. The price of raisins is £2 per 500 grams, and the price of nuts is £3 per 500 grams. If Mrs. Muesli makes 1 kilogram of the cereal using the separate ingredients, how much does it cost? First of all, let's think about the percentages of those different things in the cereal. She needs it to be 40% whole wheat. Whole wheat is £1 per 500 grams, and if we're looking to make 1 kilogram, that's the same as 1,000 grams. So 40% of that could be found by recognising that if we give 10%, 1,000 divided by 10, this would be 100 grams, and that means that 40% would be 400 grams. If I know that whole wheat is £1 per 500 grams, then this means 100 pence, or £1, would buy me 500 grams. That means that 10 pence would buy me 50 grams. If I need 400 grams, then that means I would need to multiply that 50 grams by 8 to get the 400 grams, and I would obviously need to do the same with the cost, so that would be 80 pence. So the whole wheat would cost 80 pence. That's the cost of the cereal so far. And next we can look at the price of oats, which are £1.50 per 500 grams. Oats make up 25% of the cereal. Remember, we know that this is 10%, so 20% would be 200 grams, and that means 25%, which is the same as 1/4, is 250 grams. We know that the price is 150 pence, it's £1.50 per 500 grams. If I only need 250 grams, then I only need half of this value. So that's 250 grams, and it means, of course, the price will also halve. Half of 150 is 75, so it means the oats will cost me 75 pence. Now we can look at the price of raisins. And they cost £2 per 500 grams, and we have 25% of those raisins as well, so of course that's 250 grams. Raisins are £2 or 200 pence per 500 grams, and once again we only need half of that value, so that's 250 grams of the raisins, meaning the cost per 500 grams will also be halved, and this will be 100 pence, which is the same as £1. So the cost of the raisins will be £1. Finally then, we can look at the price of nuts. Nuts cost £3 per 500 grams, and we need 10% of the cereal to be nuts, which we know is 100 grams. So £3 is 300 pence, and that's the cost for 500 grams. We need to divide this value by 5 to get the amount of nuts that we need, and that means we need to do the same to the cost. 30 divided by 5 would be 6, so 300 divided by 5 is 60, meaning the nuts will cost 60 pence. Now we can add those values together. We have 5 in the pennies column, then 8 plus 7 in the tens column, which is 15, and 6 more, which makes 21. Finally, in the pounds column, we have 3. So the total cost of the cereal, if Mrs. Muesli made it herself, would be £3.15. As you can see, this is represented by option B. And you can show that correct answer like this.